Yeah, man, you know, I'm going to start this off. I'm going to do a little poetry thing, you know what I'm saying, for my poetry listeners out there, you know what I'm saying, a little something I'm going to do. We'll keep it nice and simple, real, you know what I'm saying, artistic thing we got going on here. So we're going to start off real beat, real simple like this. Check it out. Be like, yeah. See, back in the day, I used to love her like a mother. Everybody else liked her, but I put no one above her. She graced me with the love that I really never had. So every chance I got to see her, I would never let it pass. Met her when I was young, I was still kinda dumb. But every time she called me, she knew I was gonna come. Felt like I was the main dude, cause she made me feel good. Turned out she was a buster, messing with the whole hood. But she told me chill out, you know you got me to yourself. Plus I know these other dudes didn't feel what I felt. I'm addicted to this girl from her demeanor to a swagger. You try to mess with her, game sharper than the dagger. She blessed me in the click to hook me up with a job. I was only 13, but I was stacking up my eyes every week. Fresh shoes, fresh clothes, I was cutting. She gave me a lot of work, I pushed it off till it was nothing. Now I'm 18, feeling like we got engaged, but it's something about the shorty that's really starting to change. She got more dudes than ever, and they all fighting for her. I'm thinking to myself, I gotta tighten up my morals, cause dudes are scared to kill just to make a couple bills. To the point, just to see it, you gotta be tucking still. But that's my baby, I don't know what to do. Streets got my heart, she probably got you too.